Okay, let's take a look at how to access a shared project in myON Reader. The first thing I'm going to do once I get into my myON account is I'm going to click over here on Classroom, and then I'm going to go down to Projects. I'm going to go right over here to the cloud icon, and this is where all the shared projects are. So I'm going to click on the cloud, and then I'm going to search for whatever the name of my shared project is. In this case, I'm looking for myON Madness, so I'm going to click on that, search for it, and there it is. So I'll click the little eye icon so I can view the project. And I'm going to copy this to my project. So I'm bringing this down from the cloud and I'm going to copy it into my account. So once I do that, I will be able to share this or assign this to kids. So this is the project. You can go on here, you can alter it, you can change the reading task, you can change the name. Once you save it, it will appear in your projects then, and you can go ahead and click the Assign button, assign it to kids. You can assign it by grade level. You can assign it to your entire roster, whatever you want to do. Once you do that, go ahead and click Apply, and that's it. So that's how you add a shared project in myON Reader. Thanks.